Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Welcome to another Quick and Easy Meals. So Quick and Easy Meals is hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. The hosts are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor or simply Grace Lifestyle, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. So for Quick and Easy Meals, I've said this before, so if you visited this channel, you know the deal. You can make anything from a smoothie at breakfast, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, a sandwich like I have done before, breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, anything you would like to share with us. We would love to have you join Quick and Easy Meals. So today, guys, I am going to be making chicken breast. And I'm going to share the recipe with you and the ingredients that I'm going to put in it and how I'm going to prepare it. So this is one of those really quick and easy meals, and you'll see why when I get to this next segment. But I just want to encourage you guys to stop by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Deborah Cabasa Home Living for some awesome content. I mean, they do more than just cooking. You know, it's more than just quick and easy meals. We all do home decor and crafts, but they have me on the crafts now. They have the crafts on lock, okay? So if you want some great crafting ideas, check these ladies' channels out. But anyway, they have a wide plethora of home decor and more content that you will not want to miss. So I encourage you to stop by their channels and stop by some of my other channels. So you just, you know, keep clicking through my content for some great home decor ideas. So without further ado, let me share with you my recipe for today, okay? Keep watching. All right, guys, so here we go. I got this recipe probably, I don't know where I got it from, to be honest, but I do a lot of Southern Living magazine recipes, so perhaps I might have copied it from there. But the reason why this is quick and easy is because look at this one. Place chicken in crock pot, okay? So you know that's going to be easy. And I have other things to do today. And so this is why we like to bring you quick and easy meals. So I'm going to get this little dish together. I'm going to place this chicken in a crock pot, and it takes 4 to 6 hours. So check this out. This is why it's quick and easy, because it's quick to prepare, and it's easy because you're going to go ahead about your day doing other things while your chicken is cooking in the crock pot. Okay, so look, these are the ingredients that I am going to be using. And this is the brown sugar. Now, it doesn't call for salt and pepper, but I'm going to add a little salt and pepper. Not a lot of salt, but just a little. Oh, and I forgot one thing. I forgot the garlic powder, so hold on one second. So the recipe, you know, you can see it calls for a teaspoon of garlic powder. I don't have any specific garlic powder. I did find this garlic and onion, black pepper, and sea salt. So because I'm going to use that, I am going to omit the salt and pepper. I'm just going to use these items right here, okay? So the recipe calls for that I mix all these ingredients up, mix everything but the chicken, which I'm going to do, and then I'm going to pour the sauce. I'm going to place the chicken in the crock pot, just as it says. I'm going to pour the sauce over the chicken, and boom! That's it. The chicken is going to do its own cooking right in the crock pot for 4 to 6 hours, and today is Sunday, so that will allow me to go on about my day doing other things, okay? So let's get started. Okay, guys, so it's early in the morning. It's Sunday, and it's 9:30, and I have somebody coming by to do some handyman work. So this is why I wanted to get this out of the way early, okay? So this calls for a bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So let's pour this all in. And it calls for 4 to 6 chicken breasts, and I'll show you those in a minute. I prepped them, got them all nice and clean, and I cut them, I split them, so they're 4 to 6 chicken breasts, but I cut them because I don't want them to be too big. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. It is absolutely gorgeous out here in the DMV. It's gonna be about 80 today, but it is sunny and just simply gorgeous. Okay, so my whole bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's. Then it calls for a 1/4 cup of vinegar, which I shook up my apple cider vinegar. So I'm pouring that in. 1/4 cup of brown sugar, which I have a little bit more. Okay, then they call for a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. So let me get those. Let me get a teaspoon. And I don't have a formal teaspoon, so we're going to use this. So that's what I have for my teaspoon. Okay, and then they say a teaspoon of garlic powder. But since this has onion, black pepper, and sea salt, I'm not going to add any salt and pepper. So we're using a teaspoon of this. Okay, so that's, can you see that, guys? I'm going to drop that in. I mean, golly, how easy is this? Ooh, this is super easy. So I'm mixing it all up. Now, I've never made this before. So we're gonna see how this tastes, guys. But I think the mix of these ingredients will work for this chicken, because if you think about it, when you're grilling ribs, you can use these same ingredients. I actually have some ribs in my freezer. So when I do ribs, I actually use these same ingredients. So this should work. Not the same measurements per se, but the same ingredients. So I've done that. I mixed that all up. So I'm gonna take you off the ring and let you see the chicken, the crock pot. Put the chicken in first, and then we're gonna pour this sauce over top of the chicken, okay? Keep watching. Okay, so here's my chicken. It's all nice and prepped. As you can see, I did cut the chicken breast in half. So I'm gonna put this chicken in my crock pot. I don't know why I'm having trouble saying crock pot today. But anyway, it says to cook it on low for 4 to 6 hours. So I'm gonna put all the chicken in here. You guys know that I don't like touching raw meat. I don't know what it is with me and the raw meat, but I can't touch it, so I'm using a fork. Or otherwise, I would pick it up with some tongs or some gloves. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so it's all in there. And so now, this is what my sauce looks like. And so I'm gonna pour this on top. Keep watching. Okay guys, so I've poured all this sauce over top of the chicken. Put the top on. It's on low. This is gonna cook for 4 to 6 hours in this crock pot. I mean, for real, how quick and easy is that? Let me just say something about this. This is so easy because in the summertime, when it's hot outside, who wants to be messing around in the kitchen? So you can put together a quick and easy meal like this. You can get on with your day. Now, they say you can go out and leave your crock pot on. My husband would have a fit if I did that. So really, people do it. You can do it, but he doesn't like for me to do it. But if you want to do that and that's something you do, you can go on out and do other things as long as you remember to come back 4 to 6 hours or you have some burnt up chicken. But hey, look, this is really quick and easy because in the summer, like I said, you can put this together, whip this up real quick and get on about your day doing other things. You can enjoy your day, sit out on your back. You can read a book, chill with the family. I mean, how quick and easy is this, okay? So again, it's on for 4 to 6 hours. And now the time is 9:45 on a Sunday. So let's see, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Let's say I come back and look at it by about 2. I'll come back and look at it about 2 o'clock. And if I think it needs to stay in a little bit longer, then I'll leave it in for, because it does say 4 to 6 hours. So I could leave it in to maybe 4 o'clock, but we'll start looking at it at 2, okay? So look, I got all this time to myself, guys. You know, so with this later today, I'm going to have a salad. That's it, a salad. You know, how easy is that? And it also gives me a time to post this video up today, you guys. All right. And I just want to tell you thanks for watching, but don't forget to come back because you want to see how this looks at the end, okay? So keep watching. Okay, guys, this is what we're looking at, and it's 5 minutes to 2. So I'm sticking a fork in it. I think I'll let this go just a tad bit longer, maybe 3. Just come back at 3 and see how we're doing, all right? Keep watching. It smells really good, you guys. All right, everyone, so here we are. I'm not going to plate it today because it's super early. It's just 3 o'clock. But to this, like I said before, I'm going to have a salad. But this looks really good, and guys, it smells delicious. So I just wanted to show you this. If you want to have a quick and easy meal, try this recipe. So you guys have an awesome day, and until the next one, bye-bye, and thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.